Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to order your stuff from Temu. Okay, and also I'm going to review if it is a scam or not. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's get started. So the first thing you will need to do is sign up an account on Temu. Okay, so you sign up an account on Temu. So you go to temu.com. Temu.com. Okay, all right, then you create an account. Yes, the normal sign up. Yeah, then you create an account. So you hit on register and you continue with either your Google account, your Facebook, or your iCloud. Okay, so since I already have an account, I don't need all those things. And also, to make it simple, you just download the app. The app is available on App Store and then Play Store. So you tap on it. As you can see, I've been using this particular app for a long time now, so everything looks simple over here. Yeah, so I'm going to show you the previous orders I did, and also I'm going to take you through a live order. I'm going to show you how to order. All right. Yeah, so when you go to your orders, which is the stuff I ordered some time ago, yeah. So my goods are over here. Let me just tap on it so that you can see them well. So these are some of the things I ordered for. I ordered for this particular container and a whole lot. So I ordered for this cover also for my phone. Yeah. Okay, so this is the full list of the things I ordered, and the things are super cheap. Okay, so I ordered for this phone case, these containers, a pair of repairing tools, and all those stuff. Yes, but one thing is when you're ordering, you need to read the description very well so that you don't end up buying what you don't need. Okay, so I've already added some things to cart, which I'm going to order for now. Yeah, so the total amount is 702 cedis instead of 1,251 cedis. Okay, so the payment method we are going to use in this video is a Visa card or any credit card at all. Yes, so you can get it using the EcoBank mobile app or the GCB mobile app. Okay, so the one I'm using now is the GCB mobile app. As you can see, you just create an account using the mobile app and you apply for the card. It's very simple. Okay, so let me top up over here. I'll go to GCB cards, virtual cards. Okay, so this is the card I use for the transaction. Yeah, the card I use for the transaction, the one ending with 21. Okay, I'm going to top up card, and I'll enter the amount 702. Okay, so let me see, order, the reference should be order. Okay, so I'll tap on confirm. I'll confirm my PIN. Okay, after confirm my PIN, it will top up on the card directly for me. For security reasons, I'm not going to reveal my card numbers. Okay, so this is how you go about it. After that, you come to the things you've selected. So there's a couple of things I want to order right now. Okay, so I'll just tap on this over here. Okay, so as you can see, this is my Visa card, the one I've already added to the account. If you've not added it yet, you can tap on add a new card. Okay, and you input the details. That's the card number, the expiry date, and the CVV. Okay, yeah, or you can use Okay, leave. You can use your Apple Pay. That's if you have balance on your Apple Pay. I recommend you using the Visa card. Okay, so I'll just tap on this, then head over to submit order. Okay, this is payment processing, so wait for a couple of okay, so payment successful. It means I'll finish ordering my stuff. Yeah, as simple as that. And when I come to my SMS, you'll notice they've deducted the money from my account. Okay, yes, so that's how you are going to order for your stuff on this platform. So this platform is not actually a scam. No, it's not. It's not a scam. It's never a scam. It's never a scam. Yes, so that's how you go about it. And the reason why people have been saying this website is a scam is they don't read description. Okay, because let's say for instance you want to order for bicycle. Okay, you want to order for bicycle, and you keep scrolling in. I'm coming. I'll show you what people have been mistaken for. So let me just type in maybe small bicycle. No, let me just go in for toy bicycle. Toy bicycle. Yes. So assuming you are scrolling on this app and you find out any of these bicycle, you have to read description, because there's no way you are going to buy a working bicycle, like I mean a regular bicycle for 100 cedis or 92 Ghana cedis. Hope you understand. Yeah, so you tap on it, you go through the pictures. If you can see this one, for instance, is on a table. It's on a table, so this should sound like it should be a red flag in your ears. Okay, and as you can see, someone is holding the bicycle. How can someone be holding a regular bicycle? Like, how are you going to ride it? Okay, and also they've been given measurement over here, so take note of this so that you don't get confused or end up ordering for what you would not use. All right, so thank you for watching this video. Like, share, and then comment what you think about this video. I'll see you next in my video.